All right, so next we're going to determine an equation for each perpendicular line described. What is the equation of a line perpendicular to y is equal to 4x plus 2 that passes through 3, 5, my bad. So the first thing we need to do is focus in on our slope. The slope they gave us is 4, but we're going to need to do the opposite reciprocal. So still putting it in y equals mx plus b formula, our opposite is negative. Reciprocal will be 1/4. Remember that the 4 is a 4 over 1, so when you flip it, when you do the reciprocal, it's now 1/4. So here's our basic form. We're going to plug in this as our x, this as our y, 3 is our x, 5 is our y. And then we're going to solve for b. So we have 5 is equal to negative 3/4 plus b. How did I get 3/4? I just multiply it across the top. The negative 1 times the 3 gave me a 3 on the top, the negative 3 on the top. I'm going to rewrite this because I'm running out of space. It's okay if you want to use a decimal. I don't, it doesn't bother me. So we got 5.75 is equal to b. Finally, we're going to write our answer. We're going to take this b value, plug it back in our original equation. And here we are. This is our final answer. So now we are given a perpendicular line that passes through the given point. Okay, let's try number 4 on your own. So I want you to pause the video, try number 4, and if you make a mistake, it's totally okay. It's all part of the learning process. And so try number 4 on your own. Okay, now we are unpaused. We're going to check how you guys did. So if you made a mistake, just correct it. It's no big deal. So here's our original slope. We're going to need to do the opposite reciprocal. So the opposite is going to be a negative. The reciprocal, instead of 3/2, is now 2/3. So then we're going to plug in this point. Solve for b. So we have -2 is equal to, remember when you have a fraction multiplied by a whole number, multiply it across the top. So -2 times 6 would be -12. And then simplifying this, we have -2 is equal to -12 divided by 3 is -4. Then we add 4 on both sides. We get 2 is equal to b. Remember, this is not your answer. You have to take this and put it right there into the original equation. So you get y is equal to -2/3 x plus b, but our b is 2, so plus 2. And so this is the equation of your perpendicular line through the given point. So if you have any questions, please call me over. Otherwise, you may continue watching the next video.